If you're a homeowner in Sumter, you know how unpredictable the weather can be. Hot, humid summers put your air conditioner to work non-stop, while cooler winter nights still demand reliable heating. One of the most effective ways to control those energy costs is by upgrading to energy-efficient replacement windows in Sumter. These modern windows do more than improve your home's appearance, they help you save money every single month of the year. Lower cooling costs during hot Sumter summers can be intense, with high temperatures and humidity driving up energy bills. Older windows often allow heat to pour into your home, forcing your air conditioner to work harder than it should. Energy-efficient replacement windows are designed with advanced insulation features, such as double or triple panes and low emissivity, low-E, glass. These features reflect heat away from your home while still letting in natural light. The result is a cooler indoor environment that doesn't rely as heavily on constant air conditioning. Over time, homeowners notice a real drop in cooling costs, especially during peak summer months. Keep warm air inside during winter. While winters in Sumter are milder than in northern states, chilly nights still require heating. Drafty windows are one of the biggest culprits behind heat loss. If you've ever felt cold air creeping in near your windows, your heating system is likely working overtime to compensate. Energy-efficient replacement windows create a tight seal that minimizes air leaks. Insulated frames and multiple glass panes help trap warm air inside, keeping your home comfortable without excessive heating. This efficiency translates directly into lower winter utility bills. Reduced energy usage means long-term savings. One of the biggest financial benefits of energy-efficient replacement windows in Sumter is long-term savings. While the upfront investment may seem significant, the reduced strain on your heating and cooling systems leads to noticeable monthly savings. Over the years, those savings can offset much of the initial cost. Additionally, energy-efficient windows help your HVAC system last longer. When your system doesn't have to run constantly to maintain indoor comfort, it experiences less wear and tear. Fewer repairs and a longer lifespan mean even more money saved. Improved comfort in every season. Saving money is important, but comfort matters too. Energy-efficient replacement windows help eliminate hot spots in the summer and cold drafts in the winter. Your home maintains a more consistent indoor temperature throughout the year, making every room more enjoyable to use. These windows also reduce outside noise, which is a welcome bonus for homeowners near busy roads or neighborhoods. A quieter, more comfortable home adds value beyond just energy savings. Increased home value and curb appeal. Upgrading to energy-efficient replacement windows in Sumter isn't just about monthly savings, it's also an investment in your property. New windows instantly enhance curb appeal and make your home more attractive to potential buyers. Energy efficiency is a major selling point, and many buyers are willing to pay more for a home with lower operating costs. Even if you're not planning to sell anytime soon, knowing your home is more efficient and valuable provides peace of mind. A smart upgrade for Sumter homeowners. For homeowners in Sumter, energy-efficient replacement windows offer year-round benefits that go far beyond appearance. From lower cooling costs in the summer to reduced heating expenses in the winter, these windows help control energy bills in every season. Add in improved comfort, reduced noise, and increased home value, and it's easy to see why this upgrade is one of the smartest investments you can make for your home. If you're looking for a practical way to save money while improving comfort, energy-efficient replacement windows in Sumter are a solution worth considering.